Dear students, welcome back to new session Economics and Sociology. Last few sessions we have had a discussion about how economic development is taking place in societies and what are the issues concerned. Today in this session I would like to talk about economics and sociology. What is economic and what is sociology? What are the relations between economics and sociology? We all are know the relations between economics and sociology involves cooperation and complementarity rather than competition and substitution. The economic analysis need to be supplemented by sociological perspective on economic phenomena. Even some neoclassical economics want that analysis of many economic phenomena remains incomplete without using social insights. Many of the classic sociologists of early 19th century were concerned about the changing economic and social worlds around them. Even though sociology did not have proper specializations, then their concerns and questions are focused. Capitalism, industrialization, urbanization, and rapid technological development, along with the different forms of collective actions, were major aspects of changing order and sociologist worries. Here, Karl Marx argues that the economy is an important aspect of social change and reproduction, according to him. More clearly, we can say society is fundamentally organized around the economy. Society is fundamentally organized around the economy, and the structure of the social classes depends upon the specific mode of production. While Max Weber also studied the relationship between economic structures and social actions, he preferred to analyze the role that cultural factors play in shaping the nature of our economics. According to him, it leads to stress the relevance of Protestant ethic in the emergence of spirit of capitalism in the modern Western world. Similarly, Emile Durkheim also ventured to study the relationship between social facts and the collective conscience of the society. Durkheim was also interested to understand the specific dynamics of division of labor in modern societies and how does the division of labor explains the formation of groups and solidarities. He notes that with the growth of modern technology, scientists became further differentiated and different forms of social cohesion emerge. These classic analysis of economy and society are the foundations of economic sociology. Social theorists social theorists invented several categories like tradition, modern, status, contract, etc., etc., to capture the social upheaval in the coming of industrial and commercial revolutions. Classical political economy and economic sociology combines the Marxian approach of political economy and class analysis with Weber's institutional emphasis to explain the development of specific mode of economy. Similarly, Durkheim's concept of structure helped to develop a structural approach to study the market behavior and strategies of firms, etc. Then, the later day, writers like Parsons and Polanyi have been instrumental in laying the field of economic sociology as proper specialized field of inquiry. In the 19th century, economics were primarily concerned with developing mathematical models, quantitative analysis of the fundamental assumptions of market and its functioning. Sociologists, on the other hand, were more interested in explaining the market behavior and practices as a form of social action and influenced by several structural factors. Here, with the social transformation, many of the assumptions of the classical political economy as well as the modern theory have been challenged, and it has led to the reformation in the theories of economy and society. As we have discussed in our earlier sessions, it would also flag the broad outlines of the economic sociology. Many of these issues and debates Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Okay. So, what I want to say, with the social transformations, many of the assumptions of classical political economy as well as modernization theory has been challenged, and it has led to the reformation in the theories of economy and society. As this is the first unit in this paper, it would also flag the broad outlines of the economic sociology. Many of these issues and debates would be discussed in the following units. So, I hope you have got a minimum understanding about what is sociology and economics, and what are the basic difference between sociology and economics, and the relations between sociology and economics.